Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing another Amazon wig. I hope you guys are enjoying these wigs that I'm bringing you. I hope you are enjoying this content that I'm bringing. If you are, please go ahead and like this video, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday at 1 p.m. and you don't want to miss them because I'm going to keep them coming and coming and coming. And why not be a part of it? Why not, you know, turn your notification bell on while you edit so you don't miss any videos? I will make sure I have all of the details listed down below on this lovely unit. Now let's get into this review. Okay y'all, so in today's video I will be reviewing another Amazon wig. This time I was sent this wig from this company called Hanway. I will have it in the description because I'm not for sure how to say that, but the word is Hanhua. It's 150 density, a 13x4 lace, and it is body wave, and it is in the 20-inch. This is what it looks like on Amazon. I have already went in and customized it. I will have a little clip over here on the side showing you guys what it looked like straight out of the bag, but I already went in and customized it, and I cut the lace off because y'all know I cut the lace off before I install my wigs. And I tried to add some curls to it since it's body wave, so I flexi ride it. So we're going to see how that turns out. If they turn out good and y'all are interested in that, then I can do a detailed video on it as well. But I wanted some big curls and not the body wave, so hopefully this turns out the way I am shooting for. So this next part of the video, I'm not going to be talking. I'm just going to be installing the wig, and then I'm going to come back with the review. If you guys need a detailed video on how I do my wig installs, I do already have one out. I will have it listed in the card so you guys can check that out. So let's get into this install.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen your smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. You did prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. many times. Don't misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? Can I do you like I?
Okay guys, so I'm back with my final review. I had to go and freshen my face up a little bit to make the look come on together. But y'all, I like this hair. I really do like this hair. It's really soft. It's full. I don't think I mentioned this, but it does have like a free part, so you can part it any way you want it. You can wear the hair to either side you want to wear it. It is a 13x4, so the parting space is 4 inches. But I like it, and I think it turned out cute with my little Flexi rod curls as well. So yeah, I mean, I would give this wig a 10 out of 10. All I gotta say is go get it. Like, go get it. It's very lightweight. It's not hot. I don't think I showed you guys what the back of it looked like. This is what the back looks like. Again, like I said, it's really full. It's really pretty. You guys saw I didn't do much to it. All I did was cut the lace and all of that good stuff. No customization. I hadn't even put baby hairs on it. Now I probably will go in and do baby hairs on it, just because I feel like, you know, it would bring the look on together. But I like it. I mean, I was gonna try to do a middle part, but I like the way this little bang falls right here, so I'm not gonna do that. Like I said, I probably will go in and add, you know, some baby hairs, but I wanted you guys to see that you don't need them either. I understand that, you know, baby hairs or adult hairs or whatever you guys want to call them, I understand that those are what's in style right now, so everybody's on the baby hair train. But not everybody knows how to do them, and not everybody needs them. Not every wig needs them. I mean, you can have a simple, natural looking hairstyle and it still looks good. No baby hair is needed or any of that. So I wanted you guys, you know, to know that as well. I am trying to bring more units like that as well that don't always require baby hairs, because you don't need baby hairs for everything. Some hairstyles, you know, you can just rock normal. You don't need the extra, and this is one of those units that you don't need the extra. Now if you want a wig or a unit that holds good curls, this is it. Like, first of all, if you want some good voluptuous curls, you want to get a body wave type unit anyways, unless you get the synthetic units that already come with curls, which I will be bringing you guys some of those as well. But if you want a human hair unit that holds good curls, you want to get you a body wave wig. And I mean, this one, the curls are great. I mean, it's giving me like the little spiral curls. I feel like I'm finna get ready to go on a date or go out to eat, brunch with the girls. I don't know, but I like this, y'all. I really do like it. Comment down below what y'all think about this unit. I'll make sure I have it listed in the description for you guys, but tell me what y'all think about this. Are y'all liking these type of hairstyles? Or are y'all liking the wig content? I mean, I enjoy making the content, but that doesn't always mean that's what you guys enjoy. So if you guys are enjoying this content, please let me know. Okay, so enough rambling. Again, I rate this wig a 10 out of 10. If you're interested in it, I got it from Amazon. Like I said, I'll have it listed in the description as well. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Drop me a pink heart down below if you watch this video incomplete. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday at 1 p.m. and you don't want to miss them. As always, thank you for watching my videos, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.